One of the biggest issues that people who have been wronged, they feel like they've lost out on something. When someone has done something wrong to you, abused, lied, cheated, one of the things that we always kind of assume is that I've been stolen from, taken advantage of. One of the things that we've got to remember that is if we forgive this individual, God actually talks specifically about the injustices that can happen in our life. In fact, if you do it the way God asks you to do it, what he's going to do is he's going to give you double the reward for the things you've gone through. Actually, in Isaiah 61:7, because you've got a double dose of trouble and more than your share of contempt, your inheritance in the land will be doubled and your joy will go on forever. So I want you to start to think about when people do you wrong, that it's actually an opportunity for maybe in the moment it doesn't feel right, you don't understand why this person has done this to you. But God is going to take care of you. You know, God talks about vengeance as his. So it's not our position, it's God's position. We can let that go and actually forgive that individual. And if we do it in a peaceful way and trust that God will give us the rewards down the road for the pain that we've gone through, we're going to have a much happier, wonderful life as we can sleep at night better, we can enjoy our life, and God will bring blessings from the things that people have wronged us in.